What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I woke up early. What did you do yesterday? I got dressed. What did you do yesterday? I made a sandwich. What did you do yesterday? I had a class. What did you do yesterday? I took the train home. What did you do yesterday? I drew a picture. What did you do yesterday? I did my homework. What did you do yesterday? I painted a picture. What did you do yesterday? I watched TV. What did you do yesterday? I had a nap. What did you do yesterday? I played the guitar. What did you do yesterday? I went to the shop. What did you do yesterday? I played basketball. What did you do yesterday? I went for a walk.